Good evening everyone, Alex Vankovs for you today, and we're going to be unboxing GPO Spectra TI 35 thermal unit. Comes as a dual usage unit, and inside, very minimalistic setup. We have two batteries, we have Russian adapter, we have rubberized piece for your monocular setup, and the actual unit itself with the plastic cap. At the bottom we have the data cable, we have a manual, and we have a hard case for your monocular piece when you're using it as a monocular. This specific unit was designed to go together with this specific scope. Spectra 4 4x16x50i. This adapter goes in. Take a unit and we line up the red dots. Locks itself in properly, and then you just tension. Literally, that's all it takes. It's ready to be used at night. Brilliant. This is my 243. It works amazing on foxes. When you use it as a monocular, you can pick up a human size shape up to, I think, 1.3 kilometers. So to recognize a fox at 300-400 yards, you wouldn't have any problems. Now, the good thing about this specific unit is that by taking it off, you actually can use as a monocular without an eyepiece. But if you want to put an eyepiece, all you need to do is undo that becomes your eyepiece. Let's say you finish your foxing night and you want to go to shoot some rabbits with your 2.2 or 17 HMR, and you have a different size scope on your other rifle. So what you do, you invest a bit of money in rings like that. That goes over and fixes with the clip, and then we move this adapter in front into that. Then take the same unit, line up the red dots, it locks itself in straight away, nice and easy. And that's how you can transfer your thermal unit from your 243 on your 2.2 or 17 HMR. Works really well with a variety of different calibers, works really well in a variety of challenging conditions, and produces very nice clear picture. If you're a professional or semi-professional pest controller, that's the kit which you want to look at. I'm not gonna say it's the best one on the market, but it's definitely worth considering.